We are excited to present this gorgeous remodeled one-story home with a circle drive located in Royal Oaks. This 2018 square foot home features 3 bedrooms and 2 full baths. Your home awaits you here in Spring Branch. Welcome to 10143 Whiteside Lane here in Houston, Texas. Let me show you around. As you walk through the entry, you are welcomed by the open concept kitchen, dining, and living room areas. The gorgeous hardwood floors throughout lead you to the remarkable chef's kitchen that touts a large marble island and matching marble countertops. Custom 42-inch cabinets, stainless steel appliances including a 36-inch gas range with convection oven and breakfast bar seating. Just off the kitchen are the dining and living room areas, which showcase the plantation shutters throughout and the gas log fireplace with a cedar mantel. Off the living room, you enter the hallway, which leads you to the bedrooms of the house. 2 spacious secondary bedrooms share an updated bathroom, and the primary suite is situated in the rear of the home, which offers crown molding and spacious accommodations for living and enjoying. The luxurious primary bathroom features granite countertops and an updated walk-in shower. The true heart of this home is the backyard. This outdoor space features a covered patio just off the living room with a vaulted ceiling and cedar planks and beams, perfect for lounging and entertaining with friends and family. Royal Oaks is a charming community that conveniently provides you with easy access to I-10, Beltway 8, and locations like city center shopping and dining, and of course, the Energy Corridor. 10143 Whiteside Lane is on the market and ready for you to move in.